Hello all, welcome to our channel. So this is regarding for very important information how to adding on your tabs like Instagram, any particular tab, how to adding on your particular Facebook page option. Two things remember, when you open your Facebook page, then you can scroll down here. If you go to about information, we can add by your Facebook, Instagram, everything we can add it here. This is a common. Every Facebook page compulsory add by the YouTube link, Twitter link, and Instagram link, compulsory mandatory. But I'm asking about the your particular tab. What is the tab? Nothing but here is a tab, YouTube and Instagram. When you click on Instagram, they open our Instagram account. So how it is possible? That is called, they can use one of the application will be here. It will be called FB app.us. This particular one I'm utilized by the CCTV installation services in Hyderabad. This website. So first of all, you will be select in your particular option name is called in your profile will be first you select. After this one, we have number of applications is there. Which one? FVB.us, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, so many. But here is applicable only for two, YouTube and Instagram. Now adding will be Instagram will be here. After that, select your page. What are the page you have to application? That everything will be here. The must you can at least your performance will be here. So that will be in this permission will be denied. So I fix my pages. Everything will be done. Next, you can go to add your page. See here. Previous why not selected? My profile not link any pages. So that is I'm converting to my classic page. Click this option. Select here. Add page tab. So which account will be added will be here. Instagram account. Open it. Instagram account. What are the your username? They will asking on your Instagram account. So in this future, done. Click it. Done by Instagram. When you click Instagram, you have certain settings required. What are the settings required? You can go here. What are the changes? And the settings will be compulsory mandatory field. So here, what that? Instagram and your particular using will be here. What is the username? This is my username. Place it. Thumbnail. Add your image will be here. Image compulsory you can add will be here. Your website or any other URL. So compulsory add your website URL will be compulsory mandatory field. So what are the things you can hear? Sir, can you remove this future after creating anything? You can remove also. Remove is possible. Adding also will be possible. Sir, image will be compulsory required. Yes. Image, go to browse. Where your image will be designed, this will be here. Go to this. We can add will be here. Final. Save settings. After save settings, see here. What are the posts you done? Everything visible will be here. This is the cover image not done. You can upload will be cover image. And cover image will be suitable by two things, video and everything. So when you're creating cover images time, you can making for slides also will create and upload by the in your particular option. So clear? So compulsory add your tabs will be here. See this. Follow like anything will be here. So this will be follow button for example here. Is it clear? So this is a method you can follow to add by the Instagram tab using website name is called FB app.us. There's a number of options are will be here. Which tab we can add? Add the tab. Two tabs compulsory important, Instagram and YouTube. So this is the video will be only for Instagram video. Tab will adding on particular Facebook business page option. I'm always remember If your profile not link your page, suppose they will show will be here. Your profile, your page will be. We can't unable to add your particular tab. Compulsory profile link with your page. They can add your particular Instagram tab option. There you can open it and add your particular tabs. So follow this method. Add your here. Edit tab. Simple step. You can have to follow it. Suppose I Instagram tab will show here, which is we have to show first. So about photos, videos, and series. Go to page. If anyone we have to show your Instagram, Instagram also will be applicable. So follow the steps and add your Instagram tab on your Facebook page. And here also will be compulsory important about one. So still is not added here. You can finish your about, go to about and fix your Facebook page integrated with the Instagram and YouTube link option. Simple. Go to about where you can call. Number of options are here. There is a particular option called edit page info. If you go to this option one by one, this first option, contact, location, hours, more option. So in a general, where you can add your particular categories, add your information will be here. So this one. Now, where? Instagram. Simple Instagram, nothing will be here. Only add your username enough. Done your task. Where you can visible this option here. When you can use it will be here is the option will be here. Is it clear? This is the method you can compulsory will be follow will be here. Click this account username will be here at the rate. You can using at the rate here. Only account username will be we can add will be a particular option. So what is the username we can add will be here. So complete URL. Nothing will be work out. Only we can add by the username option. So compulsory. If you are adding complete URL, this will be only for username option. So if you add another one, simple. You add Twitter, Snapshot, YouTube, TikTok, number of things are here. If you add Twitter also will be applicable onto your particular option. This is also same, only username option. So this is a compulsory add on your Facebook page and business. Why? Because Facebook business page promoting for other social network also. So that is called what are the options required. You can add on the each and every Facebook page option. Compulsory you have to finishing on your profile about Instagram link, Twitter link, and YouTube link. That is nothing but your Facebook increasing for Instagram followers, Twitter followers, and YouTube subscriber and video views. So if any further question tab adding, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.